Hi, in this demo recording, we are going to show you how Volance's IoT and augmented reality integrated solution can make data more accessible and actionable for the home and industry automation. Internet of Things and augmented reality are two powerful technologies that do not rely on one another, but when combined, they deliver immersive experience for home and industrial automation. Before we jump on the demo, I would like to briefly explain a basic technical architecture for building any augmented reality and IoT integrated solution. As you see here in the first step at the top, we design or use available connected IoT devices or sensor to enable streaming of data for real-time device operations and analytical on IoT cloud platform. In second step, we build customized IoT cloud platform by leveraging leading cloud-based IoT platforms such as Ayla, Arrayant, Everything, Samsung Arctic, ThingsWorks, Clearblade, or any other cloud platform. Once we have IoT implementation in action, we connect IoT cloud platform to AR SDKs such as Vuforia, Kudan, or other use case relevant AR SDK to augment information on camera view of any AR devices such as smartphone, tablet, smart glasses, smart head, or any other devices. In this demo, we have used real-world IoT devices such as smart bulb, motion sensor, and door sensor in 3D home model. Homebridge as the IoT gateway to connect IoT devices to cloud-based IoT platform built using Everything Cloud. Vuforia as AR software development kit, Unity for graphical processing, and we have built an Android application for augmented reality. Yeah, okay, so let's see the actual part of what we have just discussed. So to showcase the capability of augmented reality with IoT, we have simulated a small demo, our small house, to show what AR and IoT can do for us. So as you see that we have created a small demo of our house in which you can see this is our first living room. So the living room has main two devices. First one is this door sensor and the second one is the bulb which is inside our living room. Now second room is our for garage. Now garage has its motion sensor, so if somebody is coming or somebody is going, then it detects the motion. Yeah, so let us start the demo application. So as you see on the left hand side, it is our living room. So living room has two devices. First one is door sensor and second one is bulb. So let me start my application. When I will start my application, it will detect the living room, and after detecting the living room, it will display, or we can say augment, the device's information on the screen. So let me start my application. Yeah, so you see that our AR camera is trying to detect the living room, and it has detected the living room. So living room has two details, two sensors, two devices. First one is light bulb and second one is main door sensor. So let us start the light bulb. So when I will press this button, it will turn on the bulb. Yeah, so using this AR, we have connected to our cloud via Homebridge and we have started our bulb. So it is a real-time integration of augmented reality with IoT. So using this, user will not have to go in the application and manually turn on and off the bulb. He or she can just see on the camera and he can actually turn on and off the bulb. Now let me turn off the bulb. Yeah, so let me do it again. As you see in the screen, the original data of the bulb, or we can say the statistics of bulb, is also displayed on the screen, like power consumption, operating hours, and device life. We can increase the brightness, using the plus button, and we can decrease the brightness using minus button. So these are the functionalities which are provided by augmented reality and IoT integrated solution. Now let us move to our second sensor, which is our door sensor. So when I open the door, let's say I am opening the door. Yeah, so you see on the bottom that door is open, and our application has detected and fetched the details from the cloud that door is open, and also fetch the details like when it was open. Now let me close the door. Yeah, so the close is door and my status is now close. Yeah, so after living room, let us detect the garage. Now I am moving my camera to garage room. So when my application will detect that it is a garage, it will display or augment the information which are present in the garage room. So garage room has main two devices. First one is motion detector sensor and second one is light bulb. Now if I will click on the bulb, it will turn on the garage bulb. Same like living room, we can turn on and turn off the bulb. I can press from here and make the bulb off. And the good part is that our garage has the motion sensor, so as and when something happens or if car is coming, then you can see in the application that it has detected it and it is saying that motion detected and yes. So that's how we can keep track of our sensor details. Thank you. Okay, so we have integrated IoT in our augmented reality using this Homebridge gateway. It's a Volansys product, and using this Homebridge we can control the devices. So let us see what Homebridge provides us. Now using the same application we can detect this Homebridge, and let's see its features. So let me detect my Homebridge. Yeah, so our application has detected the Homebridge, and you can see the features or facts of our Homebridge product. Okay, so Volansys has created this augmented reality with IoT integration app. So let's see what Volansys is offering to us. Yeah, so app has detected the Volansys, and as you see that app is showing the Volansys capabilities. Thank you.